Close your eyes for a moment. What sound instantly transports you to those long, sun-drenched days of summer? Is it the laughter of children, the splash of a pool, or perhaps that ubiquitous, pulsating chorus that seems to emanate from every tree? For most of us, it's the cicada, that unmistakable, almost primal hum that defines the season. But what if I told you that the very sound you associate with lazy afternoons and warm nights isn't just background noise? What if it's an intricate, powerful, and utterly bizarre symphony that reveals secrets about life, death, and time itself, secrets you've likely never even considered? Prepare to have your perception of summer, and the tiny creatures that define it, irrevocably changed. We hear them, yes, but do we truly hear them? The sheer volume of a cicada chorus can be staggering, often exceeding 90 decibels. That's louder than a lawnmower, folks. It's an acoustic feat so profound, so all-encompassing, that it shapes the very soundscape of an entire season. But this isn't just random buzzing. What you're hearing is a carefully orchestrated, life and death serenade, a high-stakes performance where the future of an entire species hangs in the balance. We're about to delve into the astonishing world of the cicada, moving beyond the familiar buzz to uncover a truly alien existence that's been unfolding right under our noses for millennia. Most cicadas spend the vast majority of their lives not basking in the summer sun, but silently toiling in the dark, damp earth. We're talking years, sometimes even decades, entombed underground as nymphs, feasting on the xylem of tree roots. Imagine spending 17 years, for some species, in complete darkness, completely unaware of the world above, slowly, patiently growing. This subterranean existence isn't just a prolonged adolescence. It's a masterclass in patience and survival. But here's an interesting fact you've likely never heard. While many cicada species have relatively short nymphal stages, there's a specific genus, *Magicicada*, the periodical cicadas, whose emergence is so precisely timed and synchronized, it defies belief. They emerge in prime number cycles, -13 or 17 years. A strategy so unique and perplexing that scientists still debate its exact evolutionary advantage. Some theories suggest it's a way to overwhelm predators with sheer numbers, making it impossible for any single predator to specialize in them. Others posit it might be a mechanism to avoid predator cycles that are not prime, thus ensuring their survival. It's a biological mystery wrapped in an evolutionary enigma, playing out beneath our feet. And then, after years of subterranean silence, the moment arrives. Triggered by a complex interplay of soil temperature and internal biological clocks, billions of these creatures, as if on cue, begin their synchronized descent. Imagine the sheer scale of this emergence, a mass exodus from the underworld, a silent army tunneling its way to the surface. It's a race against time, a perilous journey where they shed their old skin, literally emerging into the light as winged adults. This transformation, often witnessed on tree trunks or walls, is a profound and almost alien ballet of life and rebirth. The discarded exoskeletons, fragile and ghost-like, are the only tangible evidence of this incredible metamorphal breathing. The irony, a once annoying bug is now a digital lullaby, flipping perception and going viral. Cicadas follow Earth's beats, their emergence locked to soil tongue and tree sap flows. Climate change is messing with their timings. Broods could overlap more, emerge early or late, creating new patterns. D-roll, animation of soil temperature graphs, brood maps changing over time, slow motion forest as heat waves ripple across leaves. And here's the kicker, if every cicada in the world screamed at once, the vibration could trigger destabilization like tiny landslides underfoot in vulnerable regions. But they don't, they time it, wave after wave. A symphony of restraint, and if one day they